Keyboard shortcuts are a fantastic way to increase your general PC and Mac productivity. You'll likely be familiar with using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V for copy and pasting, or Ctrl-F for on-screen searching in programs such as word processors or web browsers. Another great feature we've brought into OpenCRM version 4 are our very own navigation shortcuts. With many of us working predominantly from our keyboards, we wanted to build in some quick and easy ways to navigate OpenCRM with no need to jump back to your mouse. Unless you want to, of course. So, let's show you how these shortcuts work and the time that can be saved by utilising them. I'm going to start in my Calendar hub and want to jump over to my opportunities to check out my pipeline. By selecting Ctrl and K on my keyboard, I'm presented with my navigation search. I want to go to opportunities, so I start typing OPP and I'm dynamically presented with options. Simply hit enter and I jump over to the module. No clicks required. My pipeline's looking in pretty good shape, so it's on to the next task. I've had a call come in from a new inquiry and want to quickly create them as a new lead. No problem. Ctrl K again, this time beginning to type in the word lead and keying down to select the new lead option. Some valuable time saved there instead of clicking around. From here, I can fill out this prospect's information as part of my inquiry process, and once I'm ready, I'm going to jump back to home. Within OpenCRM version 4, our global search has moved to the top of the screen. It still works in the same way, giving us a full or partial keyword search of key system modules, but another new shortcut makes this process slightly easier. By selecting Ctrl and G this time, OpenCRM will skip my cursor directly into the global search bar and allow me to start typing straight away. Again, no clicks needed. I type in my search, hit enter, and away we go, with my results returned for me, ready to process how I need to. And there we have it, Ctrl K and Ctrl G shortcuts in OpenCRM, helping you to save valuable time in your working day. Thanks for watching, and join us again soon for another OpenCRM Tuesday tip.